You've probably already heard French speakers saying these, on y va, which stand for let's go. Nevertheless, it doesn't mean literally let's go. So we'll see in this video, and especially why is this letter in between? What is the purpose? My name is Sebastien, I'm French teacher, and I like these words or expressions that cannot be translated literally in other languages. First of all, the conjugation. You see that it is present tense, on y va. It is not imperative, so it is not let's go, but more we're going. So it is not an order, but more like a statement that the action initiates. Another thing is the pronoun on. So in French, we regularly, very often, we use this pronoun instead of nous. And the conjugation is singular, even though it includes many people. It is kind of, in English, everybody knows. Even though it is many people, we conjugate it in singular. So that is the same situation in French. The reason why we use it so often instead of nous, well, it's just because it is shorter. On y va, 3 syllables. Nous y allons, 4 syllables. That's the only reason, really. But why is this letter in between? Actually, this letter is a pronoun. You see that in French, the regular structure is subject, verb, object. Of course, some verbs are like enough, just the verb. J'attends, je me promène, je m'habille, je réfléchis, it's fine. But many verbs, they need a complement, they need an object, and so is the verb to go. If I only say on va, then I'm expecting something like where are we going? You see, we have many complementary pronouns. You might already know them. Complément objet direct, complément objet indirect. But French has 2 more, y, en. And that is to really cover all situations. With the verb to go, if I say on va, I expect something else. On va à Paris, on va au restaurant. But if the destination is already known, I don't need to repeat it, and I can replace with that pronoun. On va à Paris, on y va. On va au restaurant, on y va. So you see already here, on va would be just incomplete. That would be too easy to believe that y is the pronoun to replace places. This is mostly the case, but this is not the rule. The rule is the pronoun y replaces object with a preposition a. So be careful here, because this is exactly the situation with pronom complément objet indirect, right? But that is an external action. I give something to somebody. I send something to somebody. But there are some verbs with internal actions. Penser à, réfléchir à, croire à, s'intéresser à. Je pense à mon futur. J'y pense. Je réfléchis à une solution. J'y réfléchis. Je crois à son histoire. J'y crois. Je m'intéresse à l'architecture. Je m'y intéresse. What would be the exact translation of let's go? That is imperative. You know how it works. We use the conjugation present tense. We remove the personal pronoun. Va, allons, aller. But again, that would be incomplete. So I also use the pronoun. Let's go then becomes allons-y. So here you have the two options, on y va, allons-y. I hope this explanation is useful to you. Don't hesitate to like the video, to subscribe to my channel. I regularly give information about conjugation, grammar, but also aspects of the French language and French culture. See you in the next video.